Okay, what I'm about to reveal will blow your mind. Actually, a YouTube automation secret. What if you could tap into a viral YouTube niche that's getting millions of views, generates passive income, and is content so easy to make you could practically do it in your sleep? This YouTube channel is combining 3 powerful niches, and the results are absolutely mind-blowing. As you can see from here. They launched their first video about 2 months ago, but in that short time they've uploaded a new video every single day and already gained over 388,000 subscribers. What's even more interesting is the numbers the videos are pulling in. This video, posted just a day ago, already boasts over 97,000 views. And similar success is evident across most of their recent uploads. In just 2 months, this channel has accumulated over 12 million views. That's how insane their strategy is, and forget complicated workflows. This is true YouTube automation made simple. Other creators will show you how to replicate this niche using ChatGPT for the script, 11 labs for voiceovers, separate tools to generate images, and then editing all of it using maybe Premiere Pro or CapCut. Well, forget what you know about complex editing or juggling a dozen AI tools. Because today I'm revealing a groundbreaking strategy to dominate this niche using just one AI tool, CapCut. I know you might be wondering how, well, this is the video no one else is making. If you're looking for an untapped goldmine for your Faceless YouTube channel, stick around. And no, this is not a sponsored video, trust me. So if you're ready to automate your content and scale your earnings like never before, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss more game-changing AI income strategies. Let's dive in. So, what exactly is this channel doing? Let me break it down for you. In simple terms, the channel creates relaxing sleep content by telling historical stories from the viewer's perspective, paired with ambient sounds and soothing narration. This blend of immersive storytelling and calming audio helps transport the audience to the past while fostering a peaceful, sleep-friendly atmosphere. Imagine making beautiful monetizable videos even if you've never touched an editing software before. The best part about all of this is that these videos are typically more than 2 hours long, which means more ad revenue from a single video. Additionally, the videos don't take much time to edit. In fact, you can create an entire video in less than an hour, thanks to the methods I'm about to show you. So whether you have a full-time job or you're looking to make YouTube your permanent gig, this niche could be the goldmine you've been looking for. And no need to worry about monetization, as this style of content is highly monetizable. To give you a quick glimpse of what we're about to create in this video, check out this short demo I made using the exact same strategy I'm about to walk you through.
Welcome. Settle in. Let your body relax as you ease into stillness. Tonight we take a journey back in time, deep into the heart of the Mughal Empire, a world of marble courtyards, sizzling copper pots, and air thick with cardamom and sandalwood. This is not a tale of battles or conquests. It is a story told in cumin seeds and pomegranate molasses, in the clink of ladles and the quiet shuffle of silk slippers across polished stone.
The first step is to come up with intriguing topics for these videos. While CapCut's AI video maker can generate scripts, we're going to leverage ChatGPT as our script master. For this step, you can check out some of the topics these channels are creating. But to make things easier, I've created a prompt that will simplify this process. First, go to the Google Doc I mentioned and look for the video topics heading. Copy the full prompt and open your preferred text generator. This part depends on your personal preference, but for this demonstration, I'll be using ChatGPT, so open your chosen tool and paste the prompt. You need to specify the number of topics that you want the AI to generate, but I'll go with 10 for this demonstration. Once that's done, hit enter and wait for ChatGPT to do its magic. As you can see, it's generated topics in the same style as the channel we're modeling. So go through and pick whichever topics interest you. If you don't find any that you like, regenerate as many times as necessary until you find one. I have a document of 50 topics in this niche, which I handpicked and am confident of their virality. If you need it, drop a comment saying how good the new style of video creation is. Or simply say, I need the doc for this viral niche. The next step is to generate the full script. As I mentioned earlier, the channel we're modeling creates exceptionally long content, with videos typically averaging around 2 hours. Head back to the Google Doc and look for the script heading to generate your script. Copy the full prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. The only thing you need to add to this prompt is the topic you've chosen. So look through the ones that ChatGPT generated and choose the one you want. Replace this placeholder with the topic and hit enter, so the prompt is structured to create scripts in parts. All you just need to do is type continue after the first generation. It simply means that the AI is expecting you to type that word to move on to the next section of the script. So, type continue and wait for the AI to finish generating the next section. As you can see, the section is done. Simply repeat this process for the remaining sections until your entire script is generated. If you need any segment to be longer, simply ask ChatGPT to expand it before moving to the next. This part is very easy since I provided the prompt. Now, I'll go to the easiest part, creating the video with just one click. Once you have your full script from ChatGPT, it's time to unleash the true power of CapCut's AI Video Maker. Head over to CapCut and look for their AI Video Maker. Click on Instant AI Video. Let's bring in our script. To ensure the process isn't overwhelming and to streamline production, we'll create the videos in segments. Begin by pasting your introduction and the first segment of your script into the designated area. Then, select a video style. For this kind of video, you can select from these 4 video styles: spooky, neoclassic, prehistoric, or Roman. Next, choose the 16:9 aspect ratio. For the voiceover, select your preferred voice. Welcome to creating voiceovers. I particularly like this one. Then simply hit generate. CapCut's AI will then process your text. Generate appropriate visuals based on the script, create a suitable voiceover, and even lay down initial edits and captions. It's incredibly hands-off. Here is the result. How amazing is this? It even added subtle keyframe movement. If you're not satisfied with the images created, you can regenerate all the images or a single image. Just click on Scene, click on Media, then Generate AI Media, and choose a new video style. Then hit Generate. Pretty cool, right? Also, if your script generates more than 100 scenes, CapCut might not produce all the visuals at once. In that case, simply click the visual box for each missing scene and generate AI media individually. This usually takes less than a minute per scene. Our video is now 60% complete. I say 60% because while we have the script and the video generated, we still need to add elements and music, which can also be done right here with minimal effort. Let's start with elements. Click on Elements. The first thing we'll do is remove any auto-generated caption templates. The channel we're replicating doesn't use subtitles, likely because the goal is to help the audience relax and fall asleep while watching the video. Next, the AI editing feature automatically highlights keywords, ads, stickers, music, and sound effects. You can select which of these elements you want in your video. For this niche, I only need the sound effect set to medium intensity. It will be added to your video in no time. Next, we'll add music, but hold on. Since this is just the first segment of our full video, we'll export now. Then you'll repeat this entire process for the remaining segments. Simply create a new project. For each segment, copy and paste the script and CapCut's AI will automatically split it into scenes. Select a voice for the narration. Click on the scene icon, then generate AI media. Choose your 16:9 aspect ratio. Select a style and click Apply to all scenes. Remember to remove any subtitles before exporting. You'll do the same for segments 3 and 4. Now that we have all the video segments, we open a new project in CapCut. Drag all the videos accordingly into the timeline. Once everything looks the way you want it, go to Effect and look for the vapor effect. The channel we're modeling uses this one. And you can even add the spark effect if you have CapCut Pro. No need to worry if you don't have Pro, they can still achieve a similar look with a simple overlay. Just download one from Pixabay or Pinterest.now for background music. You don't need anything special. Instead of a traditional soundtrack, the channel we're modeling simply uses a soft, burning sound effect. You can grab one from a platform like Pix. Just make sure you select sound effect, search for fire, and play a few for one that sounds just right. I like this one, so I'll go ahead and download it. Add it to the timeline, then duplicate it until it covers the entire duration of your video. Don't forget to decrease the volume if it sounds too loud. The video looks alright now, so you can export it at either 1080p 2K or even 4K resolution. Now, what if CapCut isn't available in your region? Don't worry, I've got you covered. You can often use a VPN to gain access to CapCut's web platform if it's restricted in your country. Alternative video editors. Most professional video editors, like Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve, can achieve similar results, though they'll require more manual effort than CapCut's AI Video Maker. Outsourcing for a small fee. You could hire a video editor from a country where CapCut is accessible or who has experience with this type of content. Check platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. The thumbnail is crucial for getting those initial clicks. You can use Photoshop or any preferred image editor. But before we jump into the editing, we need an image that will be used in the thumbnail. Normally I'd give you a prompt to automate this entire process, but you'd only get something generic if you leave this very key step to AI. Instead, you need to look at the topic of your video and come up with a concept. In this case, my example revolves around a Mughal imperial cook. So, a Mughal imperial cook preparing a meal works just fine. I want the image to be simple, but yours should be as dramatic as possible because the more intriguing your thumbnail is, the higher clicks it will get. Then go to the Google Doc I mentioned and copy this last prompt, paste it into ChatGPT and replace the placeholder with the description you've crafted. Now hit enter, and ChatGPT will give you a simple prompt to generate the image. Here's what I got. If you take a quick look at the thumbnails of the channel we're replicating, you'll notice they often add additional elements to the scene. So let's ask for some. And optionally, you can also ask ChatGPT for image prompts for other characters to include. Here's what I got. Then generate the 2 images. Afterwards, head to Canva or Photoshop, whichever you prefer. Import all 3 images and edit them. It's not too complicated. While the channel we're modeling often uses ChatGPT to generate their thumbnail images, you're free to use any tool. Here is one I created with Canva now. Maybe you want to explore other trending niches before picking the one to start. If that's you, I've put together a playlist of niches that are blowing up right now just for you, and that's the full process. From idea to income. Or using just CapCut and ChatGPT. If you found this helpful, do 3 quick things for me. Smash that like button to tell the algorithm this video matters. For more YouTube automation goldmine ideas like this. And most importantly, head to the Discord and grab the Google Doc with all my prompts. No fluff, just copy, paste, and profit. I'll see you in the next one.